Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. VeChain is also suffering. I can tell you that. I think you see it. Clearly suffering. So this correction is still no sign of let's say a sustained recovery. Yeah, the downside pressure seems to reduce given that the rallies are starting to get a little bit stronger, but they continue to be in 3 waves only. So there is still we can still not have a clear preference that towards a bullish scenario and to say that a low has actually formed in wave 2. And I'm talking about this wave 2 that started in February, March. So while it is possible that wave 2 already bottomed here on the 5th of August, the rally was, as on most other cryptocurrency charts, it was only a 3-wave rally. And with only 3 waves up, we have to say that probably also the 3rd wave is only a 3-wave move up, and the 5th wave, and that means we're dealing with a diagonal and it needs to prove itself. We can't trust it. And also yellow wave 2 was too low to be reliable. So yeah, all of that coming together just creates a major issue. So I prefer the white count. If we see a rally from here, I would actually probably watch first for a larger B wave. So what is the white count actually? I added a complex W, X, Y, X, Z structure. I did that on several charts because the only way how you can really explain this correction still as a correction, that doesn't make it bullish, it makes it less bullish. It's a warning because these patterns typically are very rare. And often when we have to choose them, something different is going to play out, like a more bearish interpretation. So I can only tell you we are tracking the bearish case by adding support, obviously, to see where, if these support levels fail, then more and more bearish scenarios become more likely. And I can only tell you that this WXYXZ structure is rare, so it might then indicate something more bearish is playing out, but it's not moving down impulsively. So therefore I'm still watching for an overall bullish scenario, also because we didn't break below the 78.6 retracement level. That's at 1.8 cents, but a break below 1.8 cents means next support is 1.56 cents, and that brings us very close to the formal invalidation point for a bullish scenario, and that is at 1.35 cents. This is the June low of last year, and as you know, any sustained break below the 78.6 retracement typically increases the risk massively that this overall bullish scenario will fail eventually. So these are the key levels to watch. As I said, the yellow count without forming all 5 waves, whether it's a larger B wave or not, but so that can play out, but only a full set of 5 waves, a full pattern of 5 waves can give us some clarity that a larger wave 2, and I might add it to the chart actually as alternative wave 2, that this alternative wave 2 actually bottomed, which is the larger correction that started in February, March. But for now, because of the 3-wave rally and the deep wave 2, we have to consider that we go down lower. And the lower we go, the more probable is that the larger bullish scenario will be invalidated. So that's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.